Hi friends, this video shows how to connect PS5 to mobile hotspot. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network. Go to settings. Go to setup internet connection. Select it. So here you can see list of available networks. From this list we need to select the name of the mobile hotspot. For example, in my case this is the name of the mobile hotspot which I am using, Wi-Fi 2024. Select it. Then enter the password of mobile hotspot. Okay, I have entered password of mobile hotspot. Select done. Select OK. So now it's trying to connect to mobile hotspot. Please wait. Okay, connected. So this way we can connect PS5 to mobile hotspot. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.